Hi guys, Dominic here with IRPINO Real Estate. We're excited to introduce you to our newest listing here in the Villa Park neighborhood. We're at 525 North 3rd Avenue. 3-bedroom, 2-bath, gorgeous multi-level home with a backyard almost like nothing we've ever seen or listed before. So before we take you inside and show you the beautiful hardwood floors, kitchen, so much space, we want to show you the neighborhood. Steps to public transportation, dining, nightlife, and more. So you guys ready? Have a safe flight. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to 525 3rd Avenue.